Welcome to Starter Pack. This is a booster program. For only 350 pesos, you'll get 1 box of Wins product. So, pipili ka lang kung Wins Guyabano Plus. Kung gusto mo, slim and healthy coffee. It could be Wins chocolate drinks, or itong ating Wins healthy juice, o kaya itong Agaricus 9-in-1 coffee. Ibig sabihin, for only 350, meron ka ng personal account. You are about to be included sa system. Ang mechanics natin dito, buy 1, sell 1, monthly. Meron tayong 4 na board sa ating system. Dito sa board 1, binubuo siya ng 15 slots. So, assuming sa'yo yan. At nag-start tayo, January. So, on the next month, this is your buy, February. Sell, February. Buy ng March, sell ng March, buy ng March, sell ng March. So, this is buy April, sell April, buy April, sell April, buy April, sell April, buy April, sell April. So, in this scenario, pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano nangyayari gradually at napupuno ang 15 slots sa board 1. Pero pwede naman ganito ang idea sa board 1. Okay, sa'yo yan. Ikaw yan. At nangyaring ganito, na napuno agad ng ganyan, wala pang 1 linggo, wala pang 2 linggo, o wala pang 1 buwan, pag ganyan ang senaryo, everything has been filled up. You are ready to go board 2. Pero, before going board 2, syempre, claim ka muna, 900 pesos. Now, eto na. Board 2, board 3, board 4. Makaalis ka lang sa board 1, ang board 2 kasi, yung board 2, board 3, board 4 na yan, hindi na natin tatrabahuhin. Hindi na tayo ang maglalagay ng tao. So, ibig sabihin, ito yan, sa'yo yan. Ang malalagay sa'yo sa ilalim mo, like this, company system na yan. Ibig sabihin, ang tawag doon, company spillover. Kapag ganyan ang scenario, everything has been filled up, you are ready to go now sa board 3. Before going board 3, you are about to claim 3,300 pesos. Plus, whether you like it or not, it's a free. You will get 2 boxes of Wins product at depende yun sa brand na gusto mo. And, may libre ka pang isang account for dual pack. Ngayon, kumusta si sponsor? Yung taong nag-invite sa'yo, syempre meron din tayong incentive para sa kanya. A bonus of 1,000 pesos. Now, you are ready to go board 3. Eto ka na ngayon. So, sa'yo yan. Again, take note. Ang mga tao malalagay sa'yo, wala nang tinatawag na cross-line, downline, upline. Hindi mo na kilalang mapapalagay dyan. Kapag ganyan ang scenario, everything has been filled up. Until such time, monitor lang natin yan, magugulat ka, you are now ready to go board 4 pag ganyan ang scenario. But, before you going board 4, claim ka muna 6,600. Plus, you got 4 boxes of Wins product at depende yon sa brand na gusto mo. And again, meron kang libreng 2 account for dual pack. Of course, si sponsor, kumusta? Meron na naman siyang bonus na 2,000 pesos. Okay, dito po sa board 3, yung kiniklaim natin dito na 6,600, before claiming that, we must be an already associate member of Wins Consumers Cooperative. Ibig sabihin, member ka na ng Wins Co-op at complete na rin ang first level mo, your first 5 members sa Co-op. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nasa stop yung ating system. Continuous yan. Diretso ka pa rin sa board 4. Ito na ngayon ang board 4, so sa'yo yan. Kapag ganyan ang scenario, everything filled up, as time goes by, mamamalayan lang natin, mamamonitor natin. So congratulations, you are about to receive how much? 78,300 pesos. At eto pa, may libre ka pang product, 17 boxes, depende sa brand ng gusto mo. At meron kang isang libreng account, premium pack. And wait, there's more. Plus, 46 boxes of Wins product, depende sa brand na gusto mo. At meron ka pa doon, 23 accounts para sa dual pack. And, there's more. Additional cash of 3,000. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang 78,300, idadagdag pa ang 3,000 with a total of 81,300 pesos. At kumusta si sponsor? Meron lang naman siyang marireceive na bonus of 15,000 pesos. So napakaganda ng system natin. And this completes our first, second, third, and fourth board. So napakasarap mag-exit, mag-claim. Masarap din maging sponsor. Started itong program na to here in the Philippines. And all the flags, all the countries na to, hindi basta napalagayan lang yan dyan. Talaga marami na tayong member na mga nagjo-join sila. So dito tayo, ang ginagawa lang ng ating mga members, more than 6,000, 7,000, first month, second month pa lang natin ang inumpisahan, ganun na agad karami ang nagjo-join. Kasi dito, win-win-win at claim ka lang ng claim. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. Decide now and take action. Magsimula na tayo. Thank you.